Hey guys, this is Terry once again from HarmonicForex. Welcome to week 47 of our Forex market preview. So, if this is your first time here, I just want to share that on a week to week basis, I'll be covering the market, previewing the following week of the market with you guys here using a video. And this video is usually 5 to 10 minutes long. So what I will do in my videos is that I will be scanning through the market using this software called Formation Seeker, which is created by none other than Scott Carney, the original founder of Harmonic Trading. With this software, it saves me a lot of time because every day I just log in, I just click on monitor and filter, and I get to, I get notified about upcoming trade setups and completed trade setups, which can potentially help me make quite a lot of profit. Yep. So for this week, I have just logged into my Formation Seeker, and just want to share with you guys maybe just 3 setups which potentially has just completed or is going to complete very soon. And next week we look to profit together by trading all these powerful harmonic setups. Yep. So once you log in, you can actually come to this filtering kind of table. So this table itself, it will tell you about all the upcoming setups on the left side emerging. Yep. You can choose which time frames you want to scan on. Okay, and you can also look through some of the completed patterns which just happened, maybe towards the close of last week. So just let me show you how powerful harmonic pattern is, being able to pinpoint exact turning points in the market in the lower or the higher time frame. Okay, let me just start off with the first one on the list, sterling Swiss franc. Okay, so this is a butterfly pattern that the software scanned towards the close of last week. So you can see that they drew out the pattern and they tell you the entry and exit point. You can even link to the live chart. Yep, on the levels. Take a look at how powerful this is. It will tell you the entry, the stop loss, and the profit target. So sometimes the thing that we really love about harmonic trading is the excellent risk to reward. For this setup, even on the M15 chart, Scott's software is able to spot a setup which can give you a risk to reward of about 10:1, 15:1, which means that for every $100 you make, you can potentially make $1,000 off it. Yeah, let me go back to. So just want to show you a few examples, and this is on the euro dollar, which is one of the most commonly traded pair. And for the euro dollar, take a look. You can see the entry. It has bounced off the PRZ zone, but this software is also very in a way that it pinpoints the entry. There has to be very very strict criteria. The PRZ zone has to be totally challenged before the software will tell you a level to enter. Yep. So this is a little bit technical, but if you come for our live seminars in Singapore, I will take time to really go through all this with you. Maybe probably in December when I'm more free from all my speaking engagements and seminar, I'll be doing up a series of videos to educate you guys on how to, really trade harmonics without having to worry about a lot of other factors, Okay. So just one more, completed example before I move on to preview the upcoming setups. This is on the euro yen, and yeah, this is an excellent setup. Even at a very initial profit target, there's a 3:1 risk to reward on this setup. And yeah, euro yen expected to go slightly north. I mean, it has to go higher next week, potentially easily at 132, which is about 30 pips away from here. Okay, so these are things that has happened. I just want to go through 3 examples that's upcoming and has yet to happen. I will briefly talk about it in this video, and I will write it out in the blog. Yep. So one of the pairs that I'm personally monitoring is on the Aussie Canada. It's approaching the sell zone. So for the Aussie Canada, I will look for the price. Current price is 0.9480, 0.9. So I'll look for the price to challenge around 0.9545. I want this whole zone to be tested before I can execute my shot, and I expect the Aussie dollar to weaken against the Canadian dollar. Okay, this is setup number one. Once it happens, we will alert you via our Harmonic Forex signal service, as well as uh, in the open Facebook group, which I will share with you guys later on. The second setup that I've watched pretty closely is on the sterling. No, it's the Aussie. No, sorry, sir. I haven't. No, I don't like this. Okay, there's a short-term setup on the sterling yen M15 chart. So if the sterling yen, comes down and tests around 186.20, around this zone here, I'll be looking to go long on the sterling yen. This is a shorter time frame trade, M15 chart, so expect less than 100 pips of profit, but you risk probably only about 30 to 40. Minimal a 2.5:1 risk to reward on this pair. So if this setup happens, price really drops into this zone here. If it fulfills my criteria for an entry, I'll update you guys via the Harmonic Forex signal service. Okay, last but not least, I want to touch on the Euro Yen. This is a big time frame setup. No, it's too far away. Let me get you something more current. Probably a H1 setup. Okay, this will be interesting. On the euro dollar, I expect the market to go north. Now it's 1.0760. If it goes up about 100 pips, I'll be looking to short the euro dollar on this bearish shark pattern. So I'll look for price to go up and test the entire zone here. And once that happens, it fulfills my criteria for a short trade setup, I'll alert you guys via our Harmonic Forex signal service. All the links to where to find all our subscription and services is all documented in the description box below. So feel free to check it out. Okay, before I end off, just some announcement. Next week, it will be the final seminar that we are gonna hold in Singapore for the year. So it has already been registered full house. We have a total of 70 packs registered for our seminar due to limited capacity. So if you guys are interested to come, all I can say is that register your interest, put your name on the wait list, so that once somebody cancels their order, we can slot you in. Currently, we have about 10 people on our waiting list, and I cannot guarantee you that you can get a seat, but due to the overwhelming popularity, in the last few months, due to all our new partnerships and the benefits that we can bring to you guys, so I will seriously consider doing one more seminar in December, but that's nothing confirmed until I make an official announcement. So if you are interested to learn about harmonics, you're based in Singapore, and you want to learn from real traders who really trade the market and have all the credentials to educate you on the right way of trading, I hope to see you guys in our live seminar soon. Okay, my name's Terry signing off. I hope you have a super good week 47. It's last 5 weeks before the year end, and I really want you guys to earn a nice fat bonus so that when you go for holiday, you don't have to worry so much about your expenses. Yeah, thank you so much, and good trading week ahead, guys.